Hello everybody. Had a little problem with the water hose. Let's go check it out. Got a little blowout. Wonder if I can fix it. I bet I can if I try. So I always keep spare bits and pieces off of old hoses. Well, let's cut the bad spot out. That should be just fine and dandy. Prepared a clamp. And then put that on there. And tighten the clamp. And in just a couple of minutes, we are back in business. So my plan is I need to find a female end, cut that bad spot out there, and I've got an instant whip hose. So we should be all set here. So once again, a real quick hose repair. Thank you for watching.